Hi everybody, this is CR number 10, helper video number 2. It says 4x plus 10 equals 70, and we have to find the value of x in the following equation. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it down here. So I have 4x plus 10 equals 70. And then, I don't know if you guys remember this, but when we solve equations, we have to remember that whatever we do to one side, we do to the other side of the equal sign. So I'm going to start by building my ladder here because that helps me determine which side is which and to remind me that anything I do to one side, I have to do to the other. First thing I have to look at is either addition or subtraction. And right now I have an addition of 10 after the x, and that's how the 10 is attached to the x through addition. So in order to zero out adding 10, I have to do the opposite, which is subtracting 10. Now remember, anything I do to one side, I do to the other. Excuse me. A positive 10 and a negative 10 is 0, which is perfect. That's what I want because that gets me one step closer to getting my x by itself. So I bring down my 4x because that's what's left on the left side. And then 70 minus 10 is 60. So I'm going to go ahead and write that. Now I need to ask myself, how is the 4 attached to the x? Well, when there's nothing between the coefficient and the variable, I know it's multiplication. And the opposite of multiplication is division, and I show that with a fraction bar. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4 because that's what's attached to the variable. Anything divided by it itself is a fancy form of 1, so I have 1x there. And then I have 60 divided by 4, which is 15. Bam, there's my answer, and it is up here as well. Good luck with that one.